बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Hello everybody, my name is Charu. I am a senior luxury portfolio manager with Bricks and Woods. We are the title sponsors for Mrs. Queen, Mrs. India Queen.
Yes.
So yeah, I mean, wherever there is women empowerment, we never stay back. हम हमेशा उस चीज़ का पार्ट बनना चाहते हैं. So when ma'am came up with such a
Yes.
brilliant idea, then we were like, we wanted to be a part of it.
Wow.
When it comes to women, yes.
क्या बात है. I would like you to please come here for the felicitation.
वैसे इनसे कौन एसोसिएट नहीं होना चाहेगा? नहीं मतलब काम अच्छा है, काम अच्छा है, प्लेटफॉर्म अच्छा, एसोसिएशन होना चाहिए. So Shweta, please do the.
Just a small welcome from my
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for being associated with this pageant. Now I would like to.
मैं छोड़ के आता हूँ चारू. चारू प्लीज.
How much important do these beauty pageants like Miss India Queen becomes for an individual?
I think for an individual it's only encouraging. Who doesn't like
सेंटर ही है.
And it's very reassuring, especially after you're married. And it's also wonderful to see that their husbands are supportive of their endeavor. And the fact that they allowed them and they have actually become they win beneath their wings. It just goes to show that the man is also very confident. So it's really encouraging for the women for sure. And it's a step, it's a stepping stone, whatever direction that they want to do.
I'm calling about your memory of your time when it was your initial time into the industry. You were on the ramp. How was your experience?
हिंदी में पूछिए.
Share something from that.
हिंदी
But let me tell you, I won nothing when I took part in those competitions back in the day, even before I became an actor. So every time I come to judge or crown these women, that's exactly what I tell them. Crown these women, didn't get the crown or don't get the crown. It's my way of kind of reassuring them that it's not the end of the road.
You want to look forward to something new, and I also must congratulate all the men that are in these women's life, because you guys actually must be a confident lot, a very secure lot, and you are actually the wind beneath their wings. So big round of applause to all the men as well. And the win is not just for the women, it's also for you guys. Because if you didn't allow them to kind of fulfill their dreams, they wouldn't have been here on this stage. So a huge round of applause to all those who are participating. And like every time, this time again, I would like to reiterate that whether you win the crown or not, it's immaterial. I know a lot of people say that, everything is in participation. But let me tell you, it truly is. Participation is what makes you. It truly is like a stepping stone to success. And I can tell you one thing, that I have taken part in many competitions before I became an actor, and I won none. So, it's not the end of the road if you don't win. And it's wonderful that normally all the competitions back in the day would end if you got married. Here you have competition and a pageant that actually encourages you to take part only if you are married. So it's wonderful. So, yeah.
This is the second year. So ऐसा क्या था कि जो you got participate यानी कि अभी एसोसिएशन आपने किया दोबारा?
मुझे ये कॉन्सेप्ट बड़ा अच्छा लगा. जो नई चीज़ होती है मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि उसकी सराहना भी करनी चाहिए और उसको एनकरेज भी करना चाहिए. तो जब मुझे वापस ये ऑफ़र मिला तो मैंने कहा क्यों नहीं. पिछली बार मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया और इस बार भी मैं बहुत लुक फॉरवर्ड कर रही हूँ और मैं देखना चाहती हूँ कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ कंपटीशन अवेट्स मी.
तो भाई जोरदार तालियां शिल्पा शेट्टी के लिए, श्वेता रॉय के लिए. मिस इंडिया क्वीन के लिए और श्रोता प्लीज डू योर